either saying that's fucking bullshit, or this or that or that, or here's my even crazier theory, because I'm nuts. Everybody's fucking nuts. Everything has. The thing I believe, everything has a beginning, a middle, and an end. And human beings are no different. And whatever. I'm gonna die anyway. So what the fuck do I care?
You were talking about rich people being annoyed by non-rich people. I was just reading something online. I was talking about a Dear Prudence, like an advice column over the weekend or something. And there was a rich person that was saying, I live in a very wealthy community, and there are billionaires and stuff around us. For the most part, like the street where I live, just doctors and lawyers and things. Anyway, we just noticed that every Halloween, there are all these people from the poorer neighborhoods that come in and, trick-or-treat and ask for candy. And I just really feel like we're already doing so much, and paying so many taxes for this, that, and the other. Like, does Halloween now have to become a social service? And basically the advice giver was like, wow, you are an asshole. Like, it's Halloween. It's kids and candy. Like, are you really trying to make a bigger statement about society over Halloween?
Wait a minute. You canceled Halloween at our house.
Not because of any sort of, class issue. I canceled Halloween because people were coming over here.